Hi, I would like to introduce my new online project, which is Coptic binding. I'm gonna try and explain the binding, show you step by step in those videos how to make one. But first, I want to talk about it in general and show you what kinds of Coptic bindings I know. I'm not an expert, but I did learn two different bindings when I studied with Jen Lindsay. And we had one with an open spine, which is, I think, what most people refer to when they talk about Coptic binding. And this is with a really thick leather cover, and here's one with a wooden cover, open spine again, and some handmade paper. And then probably more unusual is one covered in leather, and it's so the spine is basically covered too, which is unusual. And I think what Coptic binding means is really that the Christians, Coptic Christians, actually made those books. But I'm not an expert. But I also have some little books which I bought, which are from Ethiopia. And these are similar, but just not as nicely done, or I don't know, maybe they got some of the binding just got beaten up so much, and you can see even the cover got broken and they fixed it. I mean, they must have loved it a lot, and they put it in this little case to carry around. So it has wooden boards and it has parchment pages. The sections are actually made of parchment, and so that's interesting to see, even though I didn't get many information about it, where it comes from. I just love those old objects and see originals like that. This is a tiny version, same place I think, but very sort of, I think not too advanced drawings. So, but what I want to do with you is making this kind of binding, which has the open spine. It's a bit simpler than the one we learned at university, but it's I think the sort of a simple way to start. And has the two boards. It has the sections, the pages in between. Here I have different colors, so the spine actually looks interesting too. And then what I want to do with you is making the version with collages. So collages, I think, is a very interesting and easy way to actually have some kind of design in the books. And you still can have pages which you can add writing or do more stuff, drawings in it and everything. That's pretty much what my plans are, and I would love to see you online. Oh, one more thing maybe to mention is, you need, if you want to do the collage, of course you can do it without the collage, like in this case. But if you like the idea with the collage, what you will need for this book is a board to put on the collage. And it doesn't have to be too thick. 2 millimeters is thick enough. It needs to be bigger than the actual paper, so you can actually stretch it on the board. And in my case, the paper for this kind of book needs to be 50 by 70 centimeters, and that's actually enough for the whole book, for the cover and the pages inside. So And the rest I will explain during the process of making what you need, and I will do another little video just to explain the materials more in detail. Okay, so much for now.